Hello students, my name is Rakesh Kumar Sharma, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology, and we are going to study the subject MEMS and Nanotechnology. Unit 1 is Introduction to Nanoelectronics. Now in first slide, what is nanoscale? Nanos means draft in Greek word. 1 nanometer means 1 millionth of a meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. This is used to measure nanoelectronics devices, and the nanomaterial size range 0.1 micrometer to 0.1 nanometer. Now, what is nanoelectronics? Nanoelectronics refers to the use of nanotechnology in electronic components and art and science of manipulating matter at the nanoscale. One of the major technologies of nanotechnology plays vital role of the field of engineering and electronics, makes use of scientific methods at atomic scale for developing the nano machines. Main target is to reduce the size, risk factor and the surface areas of the material and molecules. The nanotechnology field has been the subject of intense focus, particularly from the viewpoint of the electronics industry. This is implies to be used as next generation approach towards manufacture of MEMS microprocessors, operating switching, we can say optical switching, or several other electronic components. Now, the history of nanoscales. The first ever concept was presented in 1959 by the famous professor of physics Dr. Richard. Invention of the scanning Tulling microscope in 1981 and the discovery of fluorine in 1985 lead to the emergence of nanotechnology. The term nanotechnology has been coined by Norio Taniguchi in 1974. The early 2000s also saw the beginning of commercial applications of nanotechnology, although these are limits to bulk application of nanotechnologies and particles. The number of transistors on a chip will approximately double every 18 to 24 months, and this is called Moore's law. This law has been given chip designers ideas to incorporate new features of ICs. Moore's law works largely through seeking transistors that carry electrical signals, so the designers can squeeze more transistors onto a chip, leading to the idea of nanoelectronics. And the nanoelectronics, the application of industries area, the technology made to device very light, making the product easy to carry and move, and at the same time it has reduced the power requirement. Some customer products which are using nanotechnology, computer hardware, display devices, mobile and communication products, audio products, camera and films, and the electronics examples like as single electron transistors, controlled electron tunneling to amplify current, resonance tunneling device, quantum device used to control current, and it can be used to create devices known as nano electromechanical system, that is NEMS, which is related to micro electromechanical system, or we can say MEMS, that are practically used to make electronics components. The material which is used to make MEMS or nanotechnology are zinc oxide, silicon ion, aluminum silicate, and gold ion. Nanotechnology in electronics area: electrode made from nanowires enable flat panel displays to the flexible as well as thinner than current flat tunnel display. Nanolithography is used for fabrication of chips. The transistors are made of nanowires that are assembled on glass or thin films of flexible plastic. E-paper displays on sunglasses and map on car windshields. A memristor can be used as a single component memory cell in an integrated circuit. By reducing the diameter of nanowires, researchers believe memristor memory chips can achieve higher memory density than flash memory chips. Magnetic nanowires made of an alloy of iron and nickel are being used to create dense memory devices. Chips produced by Intel before the word I series processors were between 65 nanometer to 45 nanometer, and later with the help of nanotechnology 22 nanometer chips were made, which itself is a milestone. Thank you, students.